Nairobi Senator Edwin Sifuna political star appears to be rising steadily, leading to speculation he may be destined for a bigger role in the country political dispensation within the united opposition. Sifuna is seen as a potential compromise, a candidate for running mate position as an alternative to Trans Nzoia Governor George Natembeya, who has announced that he will be defending his gubernatorial seat. Sifuna, who is the de facto leader of the Kenya Moja Alliance and also the Secretary General of the Orange Democratic Movement, has been eating the headlines for many weeks now. There was a push to have him fired from his Secretary General role in ODM and also the whipped from parliamentary leadership, a move that was nipped in the bud following the defection of key figures, including Ida Odinga. Migori Senator Idie Okech wrote a letter on Monday petitioning ODM to start the process of removing Sifuna for allegedly undermining the party's role in the broad-based government. A day later, he withdrew the petition, saying that after soul-searching and advice, he had agreed to the move to give way to talks in ODM to solve the internal wrangles. Between late last month and the first weekend of this month, Sifuna opened a Pandora's box when he claimed that top party officials, led by National Assembly Minority Leader Junet Mohammed, ate money meant for the late Raila Odinga's presidential campaign. This is after Junet and Homa Bay Governor Gladys Wanga accused former President Uhuru Kenyatta of trying to buy ODM using Sifuna and his allies. On Wednesday, Sifuna appeared to be conciliatory after meeting Raila's widow at Karen in Nairobi, saying Ida had reached out to him as a mother would. Mama called me today and she told me, Sifuna, you look like somebody who needs a hug. I am eternally grateful that I have come to your home and I have gotten that hug. It is going to renew my spirit and my strength. The ODM spokesperson then declared he will not be the one to break the party. His meeting with Ida came shortly after he had met party leader Oburu Oginga earlier. In a statement, Oburu said Sifuna remains a sober and principled voice, embodying the democratic ideals we believe in as a party. As a leader, I believe we must encourage everyone to speak their mind, he said. Differences of opinion do not mean division. Great parties like ODM grow through robust debate and unique challenges.